So today's video is going to be a little bit different. Now that 2021 is here, let's check out my new office. Alright, so what's going on, guys? Welcome to 2021 office tour / gaming room / streaming room / my son's homework room, schoolwork room, whatever you want to call it. But guys, welcome to the video. This video was created so I can show you guys what I have in my office 2021. I want to create the space to be comfortable and warm, a place of sanctuary that I can just kind of get away from the world and game and stream and just have a functional space that I can just call my own. One of the things I really enjoyed when I was growing up was playing video games. I used to go away for hours and just play video games. And a few of my friends, if you know what I'm talking about, back in Counter-Strike 1.6, we used to sit here and just play games for hours. But that's not exactly why I created the space to play games for hours. But I wanted to make a space that I can develop content, just like videos like this. I wanted a space that I can just game and just connect with people, because we all know with everything going on today in the world that this is kind of probably one of the best ways to kind of socially interact with people still. And I'm meeting a lot of new people doing this, and it's been a great experience. I really appreciate all the love and support that I've had since I started streaming and started making videos with my son. So thanks again for everybody who supported us through this time. If you guys don't know me, again, my name is ADL, and I am a newcomer to the YouTube game, and I want to start doing more content like this video. This video is going to be dedicated to my office. I'm going to show you guys the things that I have in my office. It doesn't necessarily mean it's something that you would want to have in your office, but it works for me. It's a space created for me. My son also uses it to do his remote learning from home, and I use it to create content. I use it for gaming, I use it for streaming. It's definitely a multi-use space that I've created to have handy in our newly finished basement. So one of the most important pieces to the office is the actual desk. The desk that I have is a Alex drawer with a Linnmon top, all purchased from IKEA. If you're trying to go with a budget-friendly desk setup, this is probably one of the best options. I think the drawers were about $100 each, and the top one section was like $8.99. The other one was like maybe 40-50 bucks. Able to create a nice L-shaped desk, plenty of space to work on it, plenty of drawer space for storage, and just overall fit the space that I want to create perfectly. It has the ability to hold my PC in the back. It has the ability to hold an extra large mouse pad, comfortable for while I'm streaming, and just provides a lot of comfort. And that's exactly what I was looking for. The next thing I want to thank my wife for getting me for Christmas was the Secret Labs Omega chair. This chair is unbelievable. I've been sitting on this chair for about 2 to 3 months now, and I'll tell you what, the chair that I had before was like I was sitting on a piece of plywood. This thing is super comfortable. It has these like plush microfiber pillow pads. It's got that cool neck pillow on the back. It's been an awesome chair to sit here for hours while I'm streaming. And before I would have a little bit of back pain about an hour or so into the stream. This chair doesn't even give me any issues. I can sit on this thing for 3, 4, 5 hours and I will not even have a pain. I'm not saying it's great to sit down and stream for that long, but it's definitely a very comfortable chair. Look out for a video coming soon about a review that I'm going to be doing on this chair, because it's probably one of the best investments that you can do, is have a nice comfortable chair in your office space. Every streamer, every gamer, you gotta have great peripherals, and one of the things I made sure I had to have was a gaming keyboard and mouse. The Steel series is probably one of my favorite companies. As you guys can see, I have the Steel Series Apex 5 hybrid mechanical keyboard. I'll tell you what, this keyboard is a little bit loud, but this thing functions unbelievably. When I'm gaming, I can feel those keys. I'm clicking, something that I really like. Some people like really soft keyboards. Aside from like a little bit of the noise that you can probably hear while I'm streaming, this keyboard does exactly what I need it to do. And it also has cool RGB lights built into it. In the top right corner as well, it has a little LCD screen that you can display your CPU, GPU usages. You can put in custom graphics on there if you'd like. So it is a pretty cool keyboard, and it is wired, but that's okay. Wired is better than wireless for me right now. And on the side of that, I have the SteelSeries Rival 3 gaming mouse. I'll tell you, this mouse is so comfortable on my hand. It looks cool, it's super smooth, and I really enjoy it because I spend a lot of time gaming with that. So it's definitely something that I had to have, a gaming mouse and keyboard. Underneath that, you'll see the extra large mouse pad. This thing takes up so much real estate. It's perfect for what I need to. Sometimes I'm in the heated battle and I just need that extra space to try and work my way to the enemy or whatever in the game, and I always seem to find myself staying on the mouse pad, which is perfect. It's almost like the entire desk is my mouse pad, and it's comfortable because you know, your wrists sit on it, you put something down. It's very cushiony. I was gonna go with a little bit of an RGB mouse pad, but I decided not to because I didn't want any extra clutter. I figured the RGB was enough on the keyboard and mouse. I didn't need it on my mouse pad as well. So I went with a simple, clean mouse pad that did what I needed to do. And it's basically just mouse pad. Other peripherals that I have the SteelSeries RTX 7, which is 7.1 surround sound headset. Again, SteelSeries, I'm in that ecosystem of SteelSeries. I just find it's very easy. Everything ties together as one brand. I didn't want to have one Razer headset, one, you know, Dell mouse or whatever. I kind of like to keep everything uniform. It's simple, it's minimal for me and what I do, and it works, and it works for me, and it might not work for you. You might have your opinions about it, and if you do, leave a comment below. I'd love to know what you don't like about it, or I'd like to know if you do have it and what you do like about it. So because that's what this video is about. It's about sharing on what I have and what works for me, and again, it might not work for you, but it's working for me, so I just figured I'd put it out there. What I'm thinking I might do is I might do some review videos on the specific peripherals. So if you guys are interested in content like that, leave a comment down below as well. I'd love to know. I'd love to get ideas for new content for the future, because this is something in 2021 that I want to do, is just kind of get more content out like this. So this is not about me, you know, puffing my chest out showing you what I have. It's about something that I'm passionate about and that I really like, so I purchased for myself. You know, I'm not sponsored by any of these companies by any means. I'm doing this solely off of what I like. So a couple other things that I have a my mic that I use for streaming is the Blue Yeti USB mic. For me, that works. Down the road, I might go XLR, but again, this space was designed to be simple and clean, and it functions and it works. It just, you come in, you start everything up, everything powers up perfectly. It's not open up this app, turn on this switch, plug in this. It would be too complicated. For me, simple is the best option, and I couldn't have it any other way. I also, as you guys can see, I have the RGB lights here, all Philips Hue ran, all controlled with an app. The Philips Hue ecosystem is a little bit more expensive, but for me, it works. It's what I like. I know there's a lot less expensive options out there, but the Philips Hue was the easiest for what I needed it to do. All right, now on to my monitors, right? So I have 3 monitors set up in this space. I have a Vizio 32-inch TV in a portrait mode on the left side of my desk, and I mainly use this screen to do my chat. I display my stream while I'm streaming, so I can make sure everything is up in order. Discord. So basically, it's just kind of like a screen that allows me to see everything that I need to see while I'm streaming, chat, and you know, my live feed, so I can make sure that everything is operating exactly the way it's supposed to. My main gaming monitor is a 25-inch Alienware. This model is one of the newer models. It is a HD only, it's not 4K, but this is a 240 hertz monitor that it packs a punch when you're gaming. I mean, packs a punch. I chose the Alienware because I really liked it, and it also has a cool RGB like stand with it too. I don't have it plugged in. I have it raised on a pole mount type setup because I want to keep things clean and off the desk, wire free. And then my last monitor is a Dell 27-inch 4K ultra high definition screen that I mainly use when I'm editing content, like videos like this one I'll be creating. I'll use that because it delivers a little bit better color performance than my gaming monitor. I have it tuned to kind of give me as close to good color as it's recording here, because it's important that you color grade perfectly. So that monitor is strictly for that. Now, for the main event. Sitting in the right corner, weighing in at about 40 or 50 pounds, the fully customized liquid cooled mothership. This is a fully customized PC that I had built by Spartan Liquid Cooling. They are unbelievable. Links to their website is going to be down below, so make sure you check it out. Eric there fully customized this thermal tank P3 case, hit all the holes to make it as clean as possible. Eric over at Spartan Cooling is really detailed. We took the Thermaltake P3 Snow White edition and we basically put in a polyethylene, it's almost like a hard plastic essentially, wrapped it in white carbon fiber. He pre-drilled all the holes to make a clean face to where everything's gonna mount to. Aside from the completely custom liquid cooling, this thing is rocking a Ryzen 9 3900X. It's got 64 gigabytes of G-Skill Trident Royal, the gold RAM. It has an M.2 Sabrent Rocket. It also has a RTX 2080 Ti with a custom clear and gold water block cooler. Yeah, this thing is a powerhouse, and all the wiring is completely custom. I am going to do a full review on my PC now that I've had it for a few months, and I had a good chance to run it, and I'll probably have Eric from Spartan Liquid Cooling do that video to explain exactly detailed what he did, so expect that one in the near future. So guys, if you want a full list of everything that's listed in my office, check on the description down below. I will have everything linked down there, linked right over to Amazon, and if you guys do like anything there and you purchase anything, I am an affiliate on Amazon, so I do make a small commission on it. Not saying that you have to, but basically if I do make any commissions off of anything, I'll be using that just to kind of reinvest in this YouTube channel, because 2021 I really want to make this channel grow. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Again, really appreciate all the love and support that I've had. If you guys don't know, I do stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday around 8:30, 9 o'clock. So make sure you jump on over there while I'm streaming. If you have any questions about the setup, or if you want to know a couple of things that you should get, or if you want to just come and hang out, I'm open to it. It's a great time. We stream multiple different games. My son and I will stream as well on there. If you're new here to the channel, again, please subscribe. We really appreciate new people here. Really, if you'd like to leave a comment or what you thought about this video, leave a comment down below. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.